up here, let's draw this. Very big. Big curve. And then we draw this. And this. Yep. Small. Okay, look, we're going to draw next on our apple. I'm drawing a stem. Wow. Let's draw. I'm going to draw a leaf. Let's draw. I'll draw this.
I'm already drawing.
Are you waiting? Okay, now let's draw the eyes.
Okay, I will draw up here.
Triangle shape.
I draw a turn up here.
The nose.
I draw nose.
Now let's do the mouth. I show you. This. Okay, now we're drawing this. Zigzag. 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 Let's do this. Yay! We finished our apples. Let's paint the stem.
I want to paint this down with green.
I love yours. We are going to use green for the leaf. Light green. I love your apple, Maya.
Okay.
And nose.
I want the nose with black.
I'm going to paint the eyes.
Next, I want to paint the eyes with black.
Very cool. Paint hard, Maya. Keep there. Now I'm going to paint the mouth.
Next, we're painting the next one with
Black. It's black. I am going to paint the red color. Using the red color. Painting this part red. Painting very nice colors. I'm faster. And spill juice, Maya and Bella. Okay, Maya?
I spilled this mandala.
Okay, I'm using red everywhere. Okay. Yeah, more red. I'm almost done with mine. And then I got to spell apple. And names or sounds, Maya? Sounds? Make the names.
I don't know the names.
And me the sounds. Okay, I finished my apple.
Wait for Maya.
Wait for Maya.
Espera.
I love yours, Maya. A little bit green. I love your apple. P. Another P. L. No. E is an infant. Okay, let's put our colors here and our pencils. When you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.